Hello students, good morning. How are you all today? I hope all of you are absolutely fit and fine. I, Sabah Shahin, as your social study teacher, welcome you all in this superb amazing class. Today, I will teach class 8 social study, specifically geography, lesson number 1, that is our resources, where we'll be discuss about resources and types of resources. So students, before moving to the topic, we should know what is geography, right? So I will tell you what is geography. Geography actually derived from two Greek words. One is geo, that means earth. Second is graphy, that means description. Simply, geography means description of earth. Okay, students? Do you know who is known as father of geography? I will tell you. Eratosthenes is the father of geography. He used for the first time term geography. Now, here is the main broad branches of the geography. One is physical or natural geography and second is man-made geography. For example, natural geography, mountains, rivers, and man-made geography, canals, roads, etc. So this is the brief knowledge about geography. Now let's get into the topic. So, what is resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy human needs, to satisfy our needs is resources. Okay? For example, water is a resources because we use water. Simply, we can say that books, vegetables, all of these are resources because we use these in our daily life. Now, importance of resources. Uses of resources give it value. Just like the natural resources are highly beneficial, as we know, and can be put to any use with human technological efforts. Now, how does a substance become a resource? Do you know? Incorporation of time and technology, a substance become resource. Now next we have types of resources. A. General classification of resources. One is natural resources, which can directly obtain from the nature, just like trees, vegetables. Second is human-made resources that we have built up, just like bridges and roads. Third is human resources, that is we, the people with knowledge and skills, have the ability to work around various issues. B. Classification based on exhaustibility. One is renewable and second is non-renewable. One is renewable, which can be renewed, and second is non-renewable. These are the resources which has limited stock, just like coal and oil. Now next we have classification that is based on origin. One is biotic resources, second is abiotic resources. Biotic resources, just like forest and their products, birds, animals, etc. These are obtained from the biospheres. Second is abiotic, are obtained from non-living things, just like land, water, minerals, etc. D. Classification based on their development. One is actual resources and second is potential resources. So, actual resources. The actual resources are actual present on the earth. Entire quantity is known. But in case of potential resources, entire quantity is not known. Okay, students? Now clear all of these? So now, students, this is the time for homework. The question is, learn about resources and types of resources. Students, after the completion of the chapter 1, we will do exercise of this chapter. Okay? Students, we need to stop wasting of food. There are so many people around us who do not get enough food to eat. And we should understand these, the values of food. With this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on learning. See you in the next class. Bye, students. Take care, all of you.